First time magluto dito ng dosa.
This main chef is Dal.
Dal.
At chutney.
Masarap gumawa pag kompleto, no?
This is dosa. Oh my god. Wait. See the wastage. See the wastage.
Oh, perfect.
Peanut with tadka.
Daming pila sa tinda mo. Magluluto kami ng dosa ngayon. First time magluto dito ng dosa kasi hindi nila hindi dish ng north. Sa south siya.
Today's main chef is Dal.
Dal.
Yes. Special thanks to Jyoti. And
Chop, chop.
assistant chef Baljit. Sleeping chef Sabi. Hello. Sasikal Didi.
Namasyal ulit ang mag-asawa.
Hello. Hello. Sabi. Kasi hoya kisi ka?
Nagtayo yung mami ni mami. Na-hospital kasi dehydrated. Bigay mo.
What we are cooking today, Dol?
So today we are cooking authentic sambar.
Authentic daw.
Sambar.
Authentic.
Authentic sambar. It's a South Indian recipe. And dosa will be not authentic because I will be cooking instant dosa. First of all, I will make masala for dosa.
Wait.
It's
Wait.
made from.
This is South Indian dish. This is not North Indian dish. This is famous all around India. Personally, I like this. You also like this dosa sambar, diba?
Yes, yes.
So this is dosa and sambar. Sambar she will cook authentic with home ingredients. And dosa,
Okay. Okay.
filling is still authentic. This is filling.
Yeah.
Potato. Okay.
So by the way, she is going soon to Australia, and she will open there her cafe. I bully her too much in last 3 days, and finally she made so nice coffee this morning. So this is success. Tell
So
us.
first of all, we are making the filling for dosa, which is basically it's important because without the filling, the dosa is nothing. It's just a plain tortilla.
So you have to make filling to get feeling. Okay.
First of all, I took olive oil and mustard seeds in it, and here I am cooking the dal,
Dal.
which is scaring me. Now it's burning, and I like chopped onions in it, and we will cook it till brown. See, I cut moon shape cubes and chopped. Kill the chef.
Wow.
So basically, we'll now cook it
Okay.
till it's brown.
So this is the example of Indian culture. In India, every girl knows cooking. When you were 19, ano marunong ka magluto?
Madami na. Madami din.
Alam mo, when we met first, yung rice mo sunog na sunog.
Quiet ka na lang.
Sabi mo
Diba,
brown rice
ano?
yan. Kala niya yung brown rice na after sunog, di ba may tira sa baba. Yun yung sabi niya brown rice.
Alam mo, normal lang sa Pilipino yung may tutong-tutong sa ilalim.
Yan na.
Sa inyo kasi ayaw nyo na
Hindi.
bawal yun.
Di ba iba yung brown rice na pinili ko?
Wait lang, tumigil ka na dyan.
Pag sabi ko brown rice, gusto ko
Yan na si,
sunugan
may
yan.
sasabihin si Dal.
Okay.
So
Wait,
now
first is onion, mustard
Nasabi
seeds.
na niya, nasabi na niya. Next na.
What?
so
Lot
now
of red
I'm
chili.
adding red chili
Oh my god. Salt.
and
Salt.
salt
Salt.
and a little bit turmeric also.
Actually, if you are cooking South Indian dish,
Turmeric.
your accent should be South Indian. So, para mas masarap. South Indian accent, salt. Anna. Dati. So,
Okay, nag-add daw siya ng potato guys.
So to mix it, I need a lot.
can,
Bango. Smells good.
Siyempre, sir.
Nice.
If if it's cooked hygienically, it smells nice talaga.
Ang tagal ko nang sinasabi kay Bazit na magluto nito. Dahil nga South Indian kasi mahilig nito talaga.
If you are living in Davao, go to Medical College Davao and harap niya, you will eat
madaming
authentic
Indian
dosa
food.
talaga. And that's very tasty.
Madaming restaurant doon, no?
Yeah. Punta din kami sa Cebu, di ba? Sa Indian restaurant. Hindi siya authentic. Pero in Davao, authentic talaga.
Si Dal, foodie siya.
Ano siya?
Foodie person.
Foodie, yeah, foodie person. Actually, every Punjabi is a foodie person.
Hindi siya nag-explore siya ng iba't iba.
Yeah.
Hindi lang Indian dish.
Yeah. She said, ramen, kimchi. First time in our all relatives, first time marinig ko ng kimchi and ramen.
Ramen.
Kala ko dati, because Indian cuisine is very strong. Many dishes of varieties from
Nagulat nga ako
regions.
kanina, tinanong niya ako.
Yun na.
Yun na yung gusto ko eh.
Pag sabi niya ramen, si Sar, ha? Ramen? Ha? Kimchi? Dalawa sila parang, ha? Ramen? Kimchi? Tingin mo ang gusto ko din sa akin. Okay.
So,
Yung sausawan.
Dalawa
Ito
talaga.
lagay sa loob sa uti.
Oo, yun yung alam ko. Yun yung masarap.
Nice.
Ganun.
Now, sausawan. Coconut chutney lagi
Ay, coconut yung masarap. We don't have.
Coconut milk kita है क्या? Come here. Lot of mantika. Pet ingredient in their house.
mustard
Mustard.
seeds, wait till it prickles.
Okay. Ayan, hindi ako naglalagay niyan. Parang
You know
bago,
this or you just putting everything in the kitchen?
bago yan sa
I know this.
Actually, because if I see this, I will say you are putting everything.
Hindi, iba-iba yung chops nga niyan eh.
Yan na.
Iyabang niya kanina.
I'm just kidding lang.
Yung
Sabi ko kung marunong ka ba or kung ano-ano lagay mo.
ganyan talaga.
I know, turo mo ba ako? And green chilies and red chilies, dyan sila mahilig. After so many months, we are trying ulit na luto. Di ba buntis siya doon kami naluto. Ngayon hindi kami luto kasi yung main chef namin hindi siya allow kami.
Gatas
pasok
yung
sa kitchen.
niluluto ko.
Yes, puro gatas lang yung luto. Ngayon kasi medyo mahaba yung stress niya. Dati 1.5 hour tulog siya, 2 hours tulog siya. Ngayon 3 hours na. So meron kami rest konti. King.
King is very important.
King is very important. After this, you will have very flavorful farts. Yeah, you don't know?
Alam ko.
King is good for digestion.
Kasi
and your farts are
too much
very...
spices yun.
Yeah. It enhances taste.
May taste ba yun?
Yes, syempre.
It has taste pala.
Anong punching taste siya, tapos good for digestion, tapos masarap mag-fart.
Hindi ko na tinitikman.
Feel mo lang, sa dulo
okay.
may punching taste, di ba?
Lasang utot.
Punch siya sa...
Lasang utot.
Siyempre, yun na yung lahat. Sabi ko sa'yo. So, sabuyas. Konti lang yan.
Chop as well, but
Hindi sabaw yung madami dapat, di ba?
Oo. Atas lang.
Kamatis, tomato.
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 Tomate. Matate.
Excited ako dun sa dosa. Okay, masarap ang dinner namin.
Now let's salt.
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 We'll add little bit because we have everything.
Red chili. Tingnan mo si Big Boss. Tulog na, hindi ka. Opa.
We can add whatever vegetables we like and we can also skip this any. The
Pwede ka
main
ano
is
lagay.
drumsticks and it was not available. We should not
Basta
boil
ba karela?
Wag lang daw. Wag lang daw ang palaya, guys.
Dal na rin.
So we
Dal,
have to
yellow
add
dal.
dal in it. It's called urad dal.
Ang sarap din yan.
Put salt and pepper and it's bigyan mo
Ay, ano yan? Tamarind.
Tamarin po. Huwag na si Boss.
Something water daw muna.
Para hindi siya dikit sa baba.
Tapos yung tamarind paste.
Comes the main ingredient for masala. MDH. MDH.
We
For
can make it-
promoting 2 big tables.
Yan.
One.
Dalawang ganyan kadami.
loko-loko yan. You said too.
Pwede na siya mag-asawa. Magaling na siya.
Tingin tayo anong
Sliced onions. This
Nice
I'm
onions.
adding because it will give it a nice flavor.
Ang lapot na ng itsura.
Now we'll add dal as well.
Nilagay siya ng dal. Okay. This one?
They both are same, but the difference is this is thin.
Okay. Ito yun guys. Pinakuluan sa kabila kanina. Pre-pressure cooker. Sarap na ng itsura.
Water. Smell it. It's super
Yes.
nice. And the main ingredient, jaggery.
Yung panot siya. Proseso, madami palang linalagay din.
And it will mix it. It should be not too thick or too thin. It should be so together. Chef Sukman.
Chef Dal. Pag nasa Pilipinas kami, gagayahin ko yan. Masarap kasi pag nagluluto ka sa bahay eh. Pag nasa Pinas kasi kami, namimiss namin yung mga ganyang luto. Tapos minsan, hindi kami nakakahanap ng sarap na restaurant. Ano ba dito yan? Chutney? Red
This
chutney?
is red chutney.
Ayan. So, ang
Maganda
bida,
sibuyas.
ang bida dito ay sibuyas, bawang, tsaka
Meron.
taps ba blender.
Hindi, meron pa.
Garlic. So, pagkatapos mag-isa-gisa,
Lagay
brown-brown,
Lagay dito.
nilagay siya dyan. Ayan yung mga kulang. Ano ba to?
Here's chickpeas.
Sobrang bilis ng Blinkit. Blinkit talaga siya, no? Tapos, naglagay si Bunny ng salt. Saan galing to?
This is cinnamon leaves.
Totoong cinnamon? Kahoy yun na brown. Kahoy yun na brown.
Pag malaki na po.
Pag malaking po. Tinikman ko na siya. Masarap siya, guys. May tamarind paste ulit.
Okay.
Yung gulay niya hindi pa masyadong luto, kaya ninuto pa konti. Itong roasted chickpeas. Kailangan ko daw tanggalin yung balat niya. Anong next?
Cashews.
Cashews. Ang expensive naman ng dish na to. Kompleto kasi yung mga Indian mahilig sa chutney. Hindi nawawala yung
Yes.
chutney. Tapos may iba-ibang version kada state.
Madami.
Chutney sauce, sausawan. Di ba sa atin ano lang, toyo, kalamansi, ketchup?
Ito, first time try ko. Coconut.
Ayan yung coconut. Mas maganda kung yung fresh. Yung coconut na ano?
Fresh na siya eh.
Fresh? Okay.
Hindi siya diced. Ano?
Yung ano tawag doon guys? Yung
Ano yun?
matandang coconut.
Ha? Sarah?
Virgin coconut.
Walang virgin coconut.
Walang virgin coconut.
Especially these days.
Meron yun no, sa likod mo.
Coconut, gago ka. Bakit sobrang blue mo sa...
Mata mo pa lang, alam ko na.
Hindi. Coconut, ginger,
Oo.
cumin seed na roasted,
Roasted cumin.
and
May lemon din?
lemon. Every chutney in India, it should be little spicy, little sour, sweet. Ano yun?
Ito.
I do not like halfway.
Yan na yung binalatan ko. Tapos na. Tapos nag-add nag-add ng coconut milk.
Salt. Kya chutney है?
Masarap gumawa pag kompleto, no? Mayroong toys ni Gurman.
He is being addicted to cellphone. Sobra inis ako. Huli namin sa CCTV. Naka-cellphone siya. Tulog niya
Sa
mga
TV,
3 AM.
nag-game din sa TV.
Oo. 4 AM or 3 AM tulog siya. Sabi ni mami, lagi niya huli siya. So, para hindi siya addict na sa games, bili ko na games sa kanya. So, madami ko na bili sa kanya na games. Gusto niya, diba? May sulat-sulat.
Ay, yeah. Yan yung mga gusto ni Gurman. I think isa-isa yung pagbigay mo.
Yun na, isa-isa. Sabihin ko, ito kunin mo. Pag kompleto na ito, saka lang bigay ko.
Para
Yan na
tapusin
interest
niya yan.
ko.
Tayo namin yung bilas ko kasi Japan. Sabay-sabay kaming kakain. Sorry for the messy room. Mabilis lang.
I got my new diary. See, beautiful.
I have some games here.
Okay.
But you will get only when your homework will be finished.
Okay.
And your mother will say that yes, now he can play. And once you complete one, then only you will get. Okay?
Okay. Just instant.
Powder niya, tapos naglagay siya ng yogurt at water. Ganyan yung...
मैम क्या मैं रोज आए
kailangan magbubbles? Kailangan daw may air.
Mean chef is here.
Yes. We are waiting for you.
Oh, I am going to cook first dosa of my life.
Wow.
है डोला ऐसे करके तू इतने टाइम की वेट करा रही थी बेटे मुँह तेरे मैं क्या डोसे बना रही है कहनी नहीं भाभी आके बनाऊं मैं क्या पता नहीं की बनाना
चमटा किथे यार
मैं यार तू करा दिया था
एक अपने कोले
I told her when we make this everything I said let's cook dosa she said Gurjeet will come I thought she will make some special dosa now she's saying I am making my life first dosa
I thought expert din yung kami.
Yeah, that's what I was expecting. जाओ नो में उगले थे लग गया ना
वाओ
तुम्हें मैं आपे
हाँ ले कपड़ा
बाकी दो कप चाहिए दो
ਲਾਈਕ
तो
ਦਿਸ
एक ही है
ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕੌਲੀ ਨਾ ਬਾ ਫਿਰ ਇੱਕ ਜਣਾ ਦੂਜਾ ਸਪੈਚੂਲਾ ਜਾਂ ਫੜੋ ਨਾਲ ਦੀ ਨਾਲ ਖਿਲਾ ਰਿਹਾ
गुरजीत
ਜਿਵੇਂ ਬਣੂ ਹੋ ਦੇਣਾ
ऐसे ना कहूँगा
ठीक है मैं
ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਫੇਰ ਛੋਟੀ ਹੈ
बस बंद कर दी मैं दूसरे वाला तो सीगा यहाँ पाक दोसा
ਇਹ ਕ੍ਰਿਸਪੀ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਪੂਰਾ ਹਜੇ
आए शेफ
ਕਰੋ ਪਤਲਾ ਪਤਲਾ ਕਰੋ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਤਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਤੂੰ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਆਹ ਫੜਾਤੀ ਕੌਲੀ ਡੋਲ ਇਹ ਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਚੱਟ ਆਨਲਾਈਨ ਤਾਂ ਯਾਰ ਸਵਾਦ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ
वाओ
ਆਹ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਠੀਕ ਬਣਿਆ ਜੀ ਹਜੇ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਮੋਟਾ
यूज कर लेती है
ਜਾਓ ਤਾਂ ਆ ਡੋਸਾ ਜਮਾਂ ਹੀ ਆਖ ਤੂੰ
वेरी टेस्टी आ भी दोने
Dosa is made by who never entered in kitchen for cooking. Nale no to ko na masarap dosa maayo. Gusto sila try yung expertise nila. Dosa. ਇਹ ਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਤੂੰ ਬਣਾਈ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਖਾ ਲੋ ਇਹ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਚ ਨਿਰਾ ਉਹ ਚ ਨੀਰਾ
चलो कोई नहीं आप जल्दी खा लें
ਪਾ ਕੇ ਨਿਰਾ ਆਟਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਚ ਅਗੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਖਾ ਲਓ ਹੁਣ
ये करते हैं
ਤੇ ਆ ਚਟਨੀ ਚ ਨੁਕਸ ਇਹ ਕੱਢਦਾ ਸੀ ਡੋਲ ਆਪਣੀ ਚਟਨੀ ਚ ਨੁਕਸ ਕੱਢੀ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਇਹ
अपनी दूसरी चटनी को बनाई है दाल का
ਨਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਬਣਾਈ ਹੈ
सांबर से कोई नौकरी
अंबर
नहीं
दी लीक हुई है
ਡੋਲ ਚਟਨੀ ਸਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਗਈ ਕੁਝ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲ ਡੋਸਾ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ
Plating.
taste plate authentic sounding
Yes.
Itong sinira nila na lahat dosa. Siyempre.
Gusto ko din i-try yan. Tirahan mo yung potato natin. Masarap yan. Taray. Mga nagtitinda sa labas, hindi galing magluto. Ito hindi daw maganda. Kaso ano kasi, mahirap siya gawin. May pa overnight.
Overnight yun pero mas masarap. Kulang dito yung ano, yung gulay.
Ang tagal ko nang sinasabi kay Bajid na magluto nito. Kaso maproseso daw talaga. Try na natin to. Hindi perfect yung dosa niya kasi hindi siya crispy. Pero yung sambar niya is so perfect. Yung lasa niya so perfect. Yung coconut chutney, super perfect. Pinaka-tasty na natikman kong coconut chutney. Yung coconut chutney, masarap talaga siya. Ito the best siya. Mayroon siyang cashew. Daming nakapila sa dosa ni Bani. Daming pila sa tinda mo.
This is when you don't know how to cook and you name it paper dosa. And see the wastage. See the wastage.
उन्हें भी पता है यार मैं just use this guys just try it go
paper dosa
We need 150 pieces to make this one roti.
look we can't even get it across the esophagus
ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਦੰਦ ਜਿਹਾ ਕਢਾਇਆ ਉਹਦੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੀ ਪੈ ਗਿਆ hindi na abot ito hanggang baba eh.
Japan na. Failed na naman.
Wait. This dosa, oh my god. Oh my god. This dosa, I think we should present in MasterChef. They will say tooth.
Yere.
Hindi ba hindi?
Wow. Hala.
People are doing good.
Hala.
See?
So perfect.
Coconut with tadka.
Coconut.
This is red. This is coconut without tadka.
Bongga.
Idlis are ready.
ये बन गई?
हाँ हाँ
बना के दी बनी?
10 मिनट बाद 8 इडलियां निकल जाएंगी मैं
Bongga.
कभी भी जहाँ पर ना
Hala.
जहाँ पर ना पुणे तक तो गए उधर ही केक पिक कर लेने हैं
Galing.